Welcome to STEMHUNTER, a smarter job board built for STEM professionals. You are on your way to smarter searching. Here's the rundown on our site. On the homepage, you will see me, Cami, ready to connect you to great scientific and technical professional opportunities. On the job search bar, you can enter the career opportunity you are looking for, as well as your preferred location. If you are looking for remote jobs, leave this blank. The search function on STEMHUNTER isn't like the ones you've used before. We use Boolean search logic that allows you to add a combination of words and phrases using the and, or, and not to limit, broaden, or define your search. This logic allows you to enter just the job criteria that meets your specific professional needs. For example, you can search mechanical engineer in quotes or manufacturing engineer in quotes near Cleveland, which will then present all related job posts. Watch our How to Search for Jobs video to learn more about this advanced functionality. You can filter by title or date and add additional search criteria too. For example, I only want to see jobs with a minimum salary of $60,000. Make sure to exclude the comma when putting in the salary. You can also add a company name and a job type search criteria if you'd like. When you see a job that fits what you are looking for, you can either press the action down arrow to apply for the job, view the company, or save it. You can also press the job title to review the job details and description or required skills and benefits. At the top of the page, under Job Title, you can click on the company to review their company page. You can also apply directly or message the hiring team. Watch our Utilizing Messaging That Matters video to learn more about these messaging options. On the top header, when you click Dashboard, you will be directed to your personal dashboard, which shows the most recent job listings on STEMHUNTER, and any recommended jobs for you, as well as your saved job searches. The My Jobs tab at the top of the page brings you to your saved jobs, and under Job Search, you can be linked directly to the job board, and on Create a Free Account, you can create your STEMHUNTER account to apply for jobs, sign up for job alerts, and more. Whenever you have a question or need my help, you can see if your question has already been answered in our FAQ or submit a request on the Contact Us Here form. Happy searching! Visit STEMHUNTER.com to get started today.